Just take a close look at this. After over 50 plus years of your hard-earned donor money in the form of aid, grants, assistance, support, commitments, care, kind, giving, love, interest, compassion, you name it. Not to even mention states' own national GDP revenues and loans. See what trillions of US dollars has done, or perhaps still doing. No wonder Africans are emigrating in droves. Due to a host of issues, mismanagement, misappropriation, you name it, we will need an entire TV series, trailer-long documentary, other than, of course, the short narrative to try and delve ourselves into the exact or host of causes for such. By the way, this is the capital city of Ghana, where most people in the world think of as a much more mature African country, behind the likes of Egypt, South Africa, and Nigeria. So picture the rest of the continent. The recent Ebola outbreak has helped shed some light on living conditions in parts for some human species. Pathetic only begins to describe the situation. However, hope, this sort of gives a bird's eye view or paint a pretty, clear, imaginary picture to us all now as to the real need for Carefreak organization's efforts in serving Africa. ASAP, with Carefreak organization, hope is finally here.